Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am so excited about a brand new sticker book from Live, Love, Posh. Let's check it out. All right, so this brand new sticker book called Posh Party is a part of a new release happening over at Live Love Posh, and that release happens on Tuesday, April 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I have an affiliate link down below that you can use. You can also use the code SCRAPPY10 to save 10% on your order. Along with the sticker book, there are some gorgeous new covers, including a type we haven't seen before, which is like a chipboard cover that is this beautiful floral. It is absolutely like, I'm super excited about the different covers. I'll try to put some clips or some pictures in here for you to see the covers. They are luxe. They are gorgeous. You will want to check those out. And then of course you have this amazing sticker book. It is called Posh Party. It is all about like celebrations through the year, and I am pumped to share it with you. So I'm going to share a flip through of the sticker book, and then we're going to do a plan with me. Let me know if you plan to shop this release. I'm really excited about it. I am pumped to check out some of those planner covers. I think they're going to be a lot of fun. So let's do a flip through. All right, so like I said, this sticker book is called Posh Party, and it is a thick sticker book, you guys. It has 60 pages in it. So it's going to be more expensive than the rest of the sticker books over at Live Love Posh, but it has so many stickers. It's like getting two sticker books in one. Most sticker books are 30 pages, so this one is 60. It's a big one. It's going to kind of fit all of your party needs through the year. So let's check it out. So like it sounds, there's parties, there's celebrations throughout the year. Some of these are like birthday party related. Some of them you'll see. It's a lot of different type of celebrations. So you have these gorgeous, I love the rainbow cake. Just great for, doing your birthday week spread, celebrating the birthdays of your loved ones. I know a lot of people like to do that. I love these stickers. So cute. The balloon stickers are so fun. These are on clear, which is really nice. And you get 2 pages. It looks like you get 2 pages of most of the stickers in this book. Some gorgeous florals. I like how they have the little to and from. These would be great for making birthday cards or any kind of cards throughout the year. Great in your planner, great for some other crafting that you might have or that you might be doing in your craft room. Those are really pretty. Pretty color combinations. This one is on clear sticker paper, a little bit more graphic. Love the butterflies. You have the presents. So you can see you can mix and match these. Of course, they work great for a birthday celebration. They work great for a spring celebration, Easter. You can use them for lots of different things. Maybe you're just celebrating, I don't know, a Tuesday. Like, why can't we just celebrate Tuesday? Look at this one. It's like the rosé party, strawberry moscato. Look at the little llama. How cute. Almost like a Go Wild. Little text messages. Love that. This one is on white sticker paper. You're invited to my birthday party. So fun. This is like your posh luxe birthday party. And then this one, hello. Is this one giving Lisa Frank vibes to anybody else? Obsessed with this one. Look at the little confetti gun. So cute. This is your year to sparkle. Press for champagne. I love that. Those are super fun. And then you have some stickers on white sticker paper to mix and match, like the Hexies. Like how she did that. Those are cute. These are a little bit smaller than I'm used to seeing from Live Love Posh. The stickers are a little bit smaller, but that's nice because then you can mix them in with some of the other stickers. Look at this. So pretty. This one is on white sticker paper. That's nice. Those are so pretty. Love that color scheme. Love that whole feel. And then you can mix. Those go together nicely. You mix these in. This is clear. So that's nice. Like clear stickers and white stickers kind of within each theme. I think makes really great use so that you can layer those different stickers. Works really well. Birthday brunch. How sweet. Love this one. Love those sweet girls. Look at them in their high heels. Love it. Those are white sticker paper. This is white sticker paper. Some of these, you know what they're sized nicely for, you guys, is the monthly spread. Like the smaller stickers work really well on your monthly spread. So if you're wanting to decorate your birthday month and like go all out, you will be set. So I think that's really, really cool. Okay. Look at this. As someone that has little boys, this doesn't have to be a little boy theme, but there's a lot of stickers that don't have any kind of boyish theme. Love this one. This is like kid birthday party. Absolutely love. Here's the baby shower. So we're getting into some different celebrations here. A little girl's baby shower. So cute. Then you have some gorgeous florals, and look how they mix. So this is cool. This is all in clear. You can kind of mix these in, and you can see it changing over to a boy baby shower, boy theme. So if you were having twins, you could do like a half and half, that a boy and a girl twin. I love it. Hello, I'm new here. That's so sweet. So fun. These are some of the different celebrations. And then look at this one. I love this. This would be great for like a first birthday. These are adorable. Love. It's kind of your mix and match. And then we get into Father's Day. The legends, the legacy, how cute. Control copy, control paste. That is hilarious. I love this theme for Father's Day. And then you actually have guys. When have we seen guy stickers? Like not very often. So cute. Look at these great man cave. I love the Polaroids. That is fun. And look at the game controllers. That's cute. And then, of course, you get into Mother's Day. All the Mother's Day feels. I feel like we see Mother's Day every now and then. We don't see Father's Day a lot, which I think is cool that now we have stickers to celebrate. This next one, I'm a little obsessed with. It's for your pet's birthday. So they have cats and dogs. Let's potty. Look at with the little footprints. And I love how it kind of can go. You have cat mom right here, and then you have dog mom right here. How fun. Just fun to celebrate. Graduation. That's so cute. Congrats, grad. Oh, I love that. Love, love, love. Wedding celebrations. Our story begins here. And so together they built a life they loved. You have the gorgeous dress, the altar, the rings. Those are fun. Happy anniversary. So you could kind of do it as your anniversary too. Just kind of a celebration of the day. And then you get some gorgeous florals that work really, really well with that. Love that. Those are unclear. Then there is a whole bunch of words and alphas and things that you can use for planning birthdays, for all the things. So birthday in several different fonts, anniversary, wedding, baby shower, party, 2 pages of that. These are sized really well for the monthly, I feel like, which is awesome. Here you can be planning out menus and drinks and all of the date and time, all of the stuff for party planning, which I think is really helpful. Invites. That's fun. Those are super cute. I love those. A lot of those. Guest list, budget. And then here are some just wordfetti. It's my birthday month. Yes, I get the whole month. Love that. It's my party and I'll cry if I want to. Birthday queen, party details. 2 of those. And then here's all the numbers. So you get love. These are all unclear, by the way. And then some alphas. You can label whose birthday it is. And then some smaller numbers and smaller alpha. Again, sized really well for the monthly, which I think is going to be awesome. So that is Posh Party. I am super excited to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out a paper and we are going to do a little bit of planning. Let's go. All right, I am creating a page for my planner to plan for my upcoming birthday. I am actually turning 40 on May the 3rd. It's a big birthday, and so I want to take some time to plan for it, plan how I want to spend the day, plan, who I want to see, what I want to do, how I want to spend the week, all of that business. Birthdays are kind of a big deal for me. I get really into birthdays. I enjoy celebrating birthdays. Yes, I am one of the people that tends to um, extend out my celebrations past the actual day. Let me know if I'm the only one that does that. I like to celebrate it. I think it's a nice time to reflect, to really reflect on just the amazing things that are happening, set some new goals for the upcoming year. And for me, 40 feels like a big deal. And so I definitely want to celebrate it. And I want to spend a little time. This book came at the perfect time because obviously I'm going to have a lot of celebration spreads coming up. I'll probably use it for my May monthly spread for the entire month. I'll probably use it for that week. I'm just very excited to plan for this particular birthday month. And so this sheet is kind of, I'm going to call it like my pre-planning sheet. I'm just going to kind of brainstorm some of the things I want to do, some of the places I may want to go. You're going to see a little shopping list come up here. Shopping is a way that I enjoy celebrating and getting to go to some of the places that I maybe don't normally go to. I think that'll be fun, and just planning out a few of the celebrations, and we'll just start it with this sheet. So I added a few stickers down at the bottom. We're going to mix in some of the pink boxes from the Live Love Posh pink floral sticker book because there's a lot of functional boxes in there. We got the balloons, and this is actually a blank sheet of paper from the Happy Planner. I actually think it was from one of the Disney Princess lines. It says follow your heart. The top, it's blank, doesn't have dots or grids or any of that. So we're just going to use this to start the brainstorming process. And we're going to use those cute balloons. I think those number balloons are so fun. And we're going to do 40 and fabulous. The alpha stickers in this particular book are not cut out individually, like around each letter. They're cut out in these blocks. At first, I was like, oh, that's a little bit frustrating, but actually it really helps you line up where the stickers line up the alphabet, the word really well, and then you can stick the whole word together. So for instance, I put it on that sticker guide, spelled out the word fabulous, and then I'm very easily able to pull up the full word because it's clear sticker paper. You can't really tell that it is overlapping. So while at first I was like, oh, that's a bummer that it does that, afterwards I was like, oh, actually that makes it really easy to put these down instead of cutting out really close around the individual letters. So I thought that was interesting. It was something I didn't expect to like, but now I kind of dig it because when you're spelling out longer words, it makes it easy to transfer that word over to your paper. All right, and as I brainstorm some different ideas on how to celebrate my 40th birthday, I would love to hear from you guys down below. How do you like to celebrate your birthday? Are you a go out on the town type of person? Do you like to stay in and see close friends and family? Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to do a spa day? What is it that you like to do? I am not always really great at taking time to celebrate these kind of milestones. I work a lot and I like working, so it's hard for me to take a day off. I'm of course going to take a day off on my birthday, but I just want to make sure I have a plan for how to really enjoy the month, really enjoy the time, and really just celebrate lots of amazing things going on now that I'm 40. I also find these planning pages, these brainstorming pages really helpful because it kind of sets the tone for an event. Of course, you can just brainstorm on any notebook or piece of paper, but for me, this helps me kind of get in the mood, the birthday celebration mood, and I think it'll be fun to plan kids' parties in the future, plan for Father's Day, plan for all the things, because when I have the decorated sheet, it makes me more excited to do the actual planning. So got the little grouping of all the party goods right there. Let's celebrate 40 and fabulous. Let's celebrate. I think that's so fun. Now I'm just going to add labels. I'm trying to decide what I want to label each of these boxes. And honestly, we're going to go with a little birthday wish list. So we have a shopping list. I'm going to take the to-do. It's going to be kind of a list of things that I want to do to celebrate. And then we'll have a little shopping list because, you'd like to celebrate. A little something special will be nice. And then just another box where I can add all kinds of stuff, just things I'm thinking about for my birthday and make a plan to really celebrate the day. Again, this new sticker book is part of the next release over at Live Love Posh. It is on April the 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can use code SCRAPPY10 to save 10% on your order, and I do have an affiliate link down in the description box below. Helps me out so much when you are able to shop those links. So thanks in advance if you plan on picking that up. Let me know if you're going to pick up the sticker book, and then let me know if you end up picking up one of those gorgeous covers. They are beautiful. I'm excited to hopefully see one in person soon. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you for your support and for the amazing community that is happening over there. If you want to check out Patreon and all of the fun that we're having, there's always a link for that in the description box below as well. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.